Okay, HCN Lewis structure, right? HCN means hydrogen cyanide. Hydrogen is an element group 1a, so it has one valence electron. Carbon is an element of group 4a, so it has 4 valence electron. Nitrogen is an element of group 5a, so it has 5 valence electron, right? So totally we have 10 valence electron. This 10 valence electron has two tasks. The first task is to connect these 3 atoms, and the second task is to satisfy the octet for carbon and nitrogen and duet for hydrogen. So let us perform the first task. So here we are just connecting these 2 atoms with central atom. Here carbon is a central atom because the electronegativity of carbon is lower than nitrogen. So after connecting we have used, look, 4 dots. So we have 6 valence electron left. This 6 valence electron will be used to satisfy the octet for the outer atom first, here nitrogen. So nitrogen has to, it can maximum take 6 to satisfy its octet. So let us put 6 here. So look, here 2 is common, but here nitrogen 2 4 6. So here we have used all the valence electron, so we have nothing extra valence electron. Now this nitrogen has 2 4 6 8, this carbon has 2 4, so we need to satisfy the octet for the central atom. So that is why we will convert this lone pair as a bond pair. Look, so we'll get this structure, right? In this structure, nitrogen has 2 4 6 8, carbon has 2 4 6, so we need more 2 electrons. That is why we'll move this lone pair as bond pair, so we'll get this structure. In this structure, nitrogen has 2 4 6 8, carbon has 2 4 6 8, and hydrogen has 2. So the octet for nitrogen and carbon is fulfilled and the duet for hydrogen is fulfilled. We can express this structure like this: 2 dots means 1 bond, right? So we have 3 bonds, 1 lone pair. Or we can rewrite this structure like this, right? So this is the Lewis structure of hydrogen cyanide. I hope, believe and expect that you have understood this thing. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.